Hello Willowbrookers and welcome to Science Week. As a start, I'm going to show you my favourite place to go in nature, and it's the local allotments. I'll show you some things that I can see here and why it inspires me so much. If you've got some allotments near you, just go along and have a look, or even make your own vegetable patch so you can see what comes and what changes every day and every season. Alright, let's take a look. Okay, so the first thing is the snowdrops have started to appear for the beginning of February, and you can see the snow is still on the ground, which reminds me of the story The Boy, the Fox, the Mole and the Horse. So when you see snow on the ground, you can start to make tracks and hear the crunchy sound. If I take you around here, you will see the things that are starting to grow in the allotments. Here is a pond. You have to be careful with a pond. This one is fenced off so it's safe for children. You can have a look inside. You can see the ice is starting to melt because the sun is shining through. There's all kinds of newts you can find here. Walking on the ice, you can see making tracks. And over here is my favourite tree, a silver birch tree. These trees are fantastic for kindling. If you have a log fire, you can peel off the bark in the right time of the year and make kindling. And over here is a bird feeder. Then one of my favourite plants, a fern, which some say is as old as the dinosaurs. You can see it all curls up. Some people call it bracken as well. The birds will gather here. We even see the parrots here. And as a special surprise, we've got a special snowman for you. So I hope you've enjoyed coming to my allotment, my special place in nature where I come to listen and observe the changing times of the seasons.